Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another pack with me video. So just chill, lay back, relax and enjoy watching me pack orders and breaking my back. So here you can see me printing out belly bands for my satin pillowcases. This is a design that I usually get sent to a printer's, but with the whole lockdown situation they had closed, so I decided to just print some by myself at home, and then I had to obviously cut them out to the right sizing using a ruler, so that's what you see me doing now. But I will be having some professionally printed and stuck on already because I had to stick the double tape at the end of them, but your girl has upgraded, so the next time you see me do this it will be already printed. But for now, you know, DIY, got to start somewhere. I'm just doing it myself this time. Disclaimer, my hands have been fully washed, hand gelled up. I stopped using the gloves just because it makes things really harder to stick the sticky tape on the belly bands, and I just find that it makes it longer for me to do things, whereas with my hands I can do things way quicker. But I have washed my hands, they are clean. I am well, no germs are being spread, always good, and there's nothing to worry about. I hope you like this video, guys. Again, make sure that you let me know down below what you want to see next, and also follow my business at oso.curly on Instagram, shop.osocurly.com, and follow me at ukcurlygirl, and I'll catch you in the next video. Oh, and subscribe, because we are nearly at 10k. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. Bye.